Ready?
Yeah.
Over here?
Yeah.
Come here, Brandon.
Kobe, you okay?
Oh, yeah.
I'm freezing!
Kyla, you like the snow?
No.
Look at me.
You want to go again? She don't like that snow. Want to go again? Ready?
Do it again.
Aww.
Look at his face. Kobe said, I don't want to play this game no more. There it is.
Do it again to me.
Throw him over this way.
Ah!
Throw him over that way.
Cold.
What? Watch out, Brandon! Brandon, watch out! Run, Brandon! Run! Run, Brandon! Look at him, he can't get up. Boy, he be tired in the mud. Shovel you?
Show me.
I did.
Kyla, how was your birthday, Snow? Stop. Why do you do that? Let me see. She's pissed off.
Want to go again, Bo? Ah! She said it ain't happening.
Kobe, you like the snow?
Look at you. Hey, look at my man. Boy, take you. Boy, let me take you. Brandon, take your hoodie off. Take your thing.
Stomp your feet.
There he is. Put your hood on.
Why?
Put it on.
Hi.
Yeah, put it on.
Hi.
You gonna be hot.
They're making an igloo.
Believe me, it's better than being cold.
Oh. Cold better than me not.
No.
Oh, be quiet.
I have snow.
Snow where?
No snow.
On your butt?
Where, boo?
There's no snow on your back.
It's starting my jacket.
I hear a car coming down the road. They're making it. And I don't have a coat on. You're a dork.
I was sledding.
Oh, Stevie coming out to play.
Ever
with it.
told me like that.
Stevie, go play. Come here.
Steven getting loose like a train caboose.
Get my sled, Kyla. No.
Damn, Snow's taller than the kids.
You guys don't have one. Yes, I do. Look at my sled. Look, Kobe. Dad, look at me. Look at me, Dad.
Huh?
I have a sled.
Watch out, Kobe. Watch
Look,
out,
Kobe.
Bo. Kobe.
Move.
Watch out, buddy. He's gonna run you over.
There we go.
That's not good. Go do it over there.
Where?
Don't land on it.
Deja wants to come out. Come here, Deja. Deja got a coat on.
Kobe, come on.
Ready? See what she wanted to come out?
Do it again.
No. Close the door, man. Why you leave the door open?
He's about to go inside.